just show y'all a little bit of something else. So we stopped here for a little break out in the middle of nowhere. And there's your old post office. Zip code 90920. Look at that beautiful backdrop right there. This is the old train station. We're gonna take a look at it. I know Dal Stars will like this stuff. She loves hearing the trains roar through Oklahoma. Cinder cones and lava beds. Volcanic past. So we're still on our way to Vegas from California. We're gonna go over here and take a look at this train station real quick. So what was this right here, y'all? The jail? This was seriously probably, hey, look at this. I think this was, let's see what it says right here. It was the jail. Now that is scary. Now that would kind of suck, wouldn't it? I'm gonna step inside it. Out in the heat. Old post office, some little building right behind there. So there is a lady that's taking care of this, probably a park, national park guard or something. Here's some more history. I just love this old history and driving along the roads and you just come up to this. What's inside? Huh? But what's inside?
That's a museum or something.
Looks like a restaurant. It says the lunchroom. It is closed. So I guess it's usually open maybe. Sometimes as a museum, who knows? Who knows? We're gonna look in some of these other rooms and see what they look like. So not sure what days it's open. Give you a little sneak peek in there. Got your Lucky Strikes there on the desk. Probably some of the old registers. Let's see if we can see. It's pretty cool, isn't it? All the old, look at that, the old trash can and everything. Baggage room. Let's see if I can zoom in on that one for you. Let's look at this, y'all. Talk about hot. Oh. This kind of looks like volcanic rock. Palm trees. Not really too many variations of rocks out here. You would think that there would be. Who knows? Because this used to be a volcanic area around here too, according to that little note there. Look at those palm trees right there, y'all. Isn't that pretty? Pretty place right there. Pretty place. Another pretty little rock. Look at these. I don't know if they're natural to the area or not. I always like looking at rocks. I don't know why when I'm in the desert and places like that, I like to take a look at the rocks and see what kind they've got out here. Pretty lush little yard right here. This would be a really nice place just to be hanging out, I think. Nothing around here, y'all. A couple houses. A couple of houses, all. Very nice. Let me see what time it's open. Oh, so they're closed due to air conditioning repairs, so they're probably open during the week if y'all are ever out this way. All right, we're getting out of here. We'll see y'all later. Bye. Watch that Roy's Motel. This isn't definitely not jewelry and purses, but it's okay. We're on a little road trip, so I want y'all to see stuff if I think it's interesting, and I do think that's interesting. You ready? Not sure if this used to be part of some old building here or not. It's just the outside, but I love the old post office right there. We'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.